Hey everybody, welcome to Crazy D's FPV.
That slew the 40 thieves.
Wait, didn't your slave girl do that?
Shorty, please, get back to cooking me that feast. I can afford the fee. My destiny's like open sesame. It opens doors for me.
Rich guys are all the same.
It's all a game and I'm superior. Traveled all the lanes from Syria to Siberia to buy various things to match my criteria. Giving rubies to the dubious to prove that I'm serious. One day I got to thinking that my garage was small. I needed a new palace. How about the Taj Mahal? Load up the caravan, we headed east. Y'all know my tendencies for spending sprees across the 7 seas. But right outside the Indian city of Agra, I heard these girls hitting tabla, singing a raga. Hey ladies, I'm Alibaba at your service. But then a weird power surge beneath the surface made me nervous. Sounded like a party, but I thought it's probably not. Turns out it's a ceremony for the goddess Kali Ma. They spoke the mantras to invoke her. She manifested like she spoke to. I kept it cool like playing poker, which wasn't easy. Kali's a bit creepy, wearing skulls, tongue sticking out. This chick's freaky, but so powerful the hair stood on my neck. The air was full of magic only fools couldn't respect. That's when I hatched my plan. I used to steal treasure, bet I could steal this power if I was real clever. And yo, I stop at one, I'll collect goddesses. My logic is stack them up until my power's bottomless. I charmed a couple followers, cause I'm a ladies man. It's crazy, man, I can make them melt just like a baby can. They taught me to invoke especially with a vocal recipe. This mantra's gonna work like open sesame. Your boy Alibaba got the Kali mantra, ready to conjure and conquer. But then I heard of Baba Yaga. A Russian passing through told me the supernatural tale, and plus the magical words to make it catchable. So now I'm in the woods where the trees are thick as thieves, deep in Russian winter looking for a hut with chicken feet. I'm thinking sweet, that'll make a lot of fricassee. But then I stumble on a fence made of bones that sickens me. Her little hut is in the middle, spinning clumsily. I yelled, turn your back on the forest and your front to me. And suddenly it did, man, I almost ran for cover when a witch came out looking like the devil's grandmother. The Russian told me she would ask me if I'm on my own, so I was ready with the answer cause I'm in the zone. She's on the hook, so I chant the Kali mantra to proceed with business. All of this power's gonna be delicious.
Who's trying to chant my mantra? Invoke my name and I'll rise up like an anaconda.
Now who are you and why are you here at my chicken hut?
Somebody called me on my psychic cell phone and I picked it up. They call me Kali, some call me Mother Nature, but you won't call me nothing after I decapitate ya.
I like your style, they call me Baba Yaga. I eat you with my iron teeth and have a shot of vodka.
Yes, queen, I love the taste of blood.
Ooh, I love it too.
By the way, I love your offensive bones.
Face, your skulls are cool.
Anyhow, you know who called me?
See that gullible little man shaking in his boots?
Ah, yes, what a fool. He's not the first to think that he could trick a goddess.
He wants her power, but he doesn't know a thing about us.
He's about to learn.
Mess with ladies like us,
And it might just
be the type of
mistake that will come back to bite ya.